guys, just starting off with my prepped cup here and just spray painting it this really pretty color. It's kind of like a orange, but it's almost like a reddy orange. I want to say it's paprika. Is it paprika? My hand's moving too fast. While I'm painting this cup, I just wanted to mention what a crazy ride we have been on, and now we finally got to launch Artistry Epoxy. Josh and I, cat's out of the bag. You guys see the website, and thank you guys so much for all the support we're getting from you guys. So just using my Artistry Epoxy, putting that on there, a nice good layer. So then just cutting out this really cute little mountain tree scene with my silhouette in gray. I just thought gray would look really nice on this cup, and the lid has a little gray on it too. So just transferring that to my cup. So then doing another layer of epoxy on top. Actually, I think I did 2 more layers on top. So a total of 3 for this cup. So then I just cut out the same exact thing, same size, just putting it directly on top of the other one. This is so difficult. I still have not found a clear transfer tape that I like. So of course, just the tape, but it made it so difficult to put directly on top of the other one. Like, I still didn't get it perfect. This was my first time trying one of these cups that's part shiny and part matte like this, but I did have a hard time getting it on the right spot, as you can see. So once I had my decal on there, I took this secret little formula here and scrubbed with my little white pad. This formula is something that we have recently created. We really wanted to create something specifically for doing matte cups, and I think you guys are really gonna like it. I did change it a little bit after this video, so it has been tweaked a little bit, but after that, just remove the decal. I did scrub this cup for, I want to say, about 10 minutes to get the matte finish, and it's the first one I've done, like I said, with partly shiny and matte, and I think it turned out so cute. I'm obsessed with it. I did leave the handle shiny as well, so let me know what you guys think. And again, thank you guys so much for all the support. We love you all. See you in the next one. Bye.